and welcome back to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to discuss why ASU is the top choice for students worldwide. Arizona State University is located at Tempe, Arizona, and ASU is ranked among the top 150 universities worldwide and is known for its innovation and research. Plus, it has amazing weather all year around. If you talk about the top master's program, it is computer science, data science, business analytics and AI, supply chain management, and mechanical and electrical engineering. The tuition fee usually ranges between 30,000 USD to 40,000 USD per year. Well, you must also consider the living expenses, right? It usually ranges between 20 to 25,000 USD per year, depending on the location and the lifestyle. And monthly, it ranges between 900 to 1200 USD per month. If we talk about the admission requirements, the student need to score 3.0 GPA in their bachelor's degree, IELTS score of 6.5 and TOEFL score of 80 is required. GRE is waived for some programs, but some programs may require it. The ASU offers scholarship on merit basis. Wondering about the jobs? Let's talk about the salary and the job prospects. The average starting salary for the ASU graduates is $75,000 per year. Well, do you want to get enrolled into ASU? Grad-Dreams is here to help you with the entire process right from the university selection to the visa process. Good news, Grad-Dreams has an application fee waiver for the entire programs in the ASU. To start your free process, check out the link in the description box below.